Hello guys, review tablet TCL TAB 10, open box and look completion. In completion we have device, of course, and completion we have on this adapter for charging and Type-C cable. Okay, standard completion for tablets. Device made of plastic, on the back side camera, on upside Type-C port. On this we have slot for SIM cards and micro SD card, jack for headphones, upside power button and volume buttons. Okay, tablet load, open settings, look Android version, system, about tablet, we have display HD resolution, front camera and rear camera 5 megapixels, 3 GB RAM memory and 32 GB internal memory, CPU MediaTek, 5500 mAh, Android version 11. Okay, close this. Look onto the benchmark results. Okay, onto the benchmark results, close this, and run GTA San Andreas. Okay, game works good, close this, and look camera. Camera we have only video mode, auto mode, filter and stop motion. 4 modes. Okay, that's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.